Water deionization. Here is a typical deionized water system installed at one of our customers' facilities. Wastewater is stored in holding tanks. Water passes through a pre-filter, then through a series of carbon filters. It then passes through a secondary filter and on through ion exchange resins to remove positive and negative ions. The DI water is then sanitized with UV light. Deionization provides some of the purest water, an essential requirement for many manufacturers, including pharmaceuticals, electronics, aerospace, and automotive. Each system is customized to specific customer needs. Please check out our website or contact us direct for more details about how we can help with your water treatment needs.